It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Monday, the 11th of March. I'm Michael Groff. A return to active weather here across the southwest as a vigorous Pacific weather system moves through the area. That'll bring widespread rain to the deserts and snow to the high country starting later this afternoon and continuing through at least the first half of Wednesday. Along with that, we'll also see cooler temperatures. So let's talk about it. First, the almanac from yesterday, 70 degrees, the high in the valley after a morning low of 48. And outside right now here at 6:50 a.m., we've got some clouds out there. And we start out this day at 54 degrees at Sky Harbor. Dew points at 39, humidity 58%. The winds are light and the barometer 29.91 inches and falling. Temperatures around the area this morning, 40 degrees, the cool spots at Goldfield and Fort McDowell. No surprises there. 45 at Buckeye. But most of us are in the upper 40s to mid 50s. The upper air look, we've got that developing system now moving down the California coast, that closed low, and that is going to bring our active weather into the southwest. We already see the clouds on the increase to our west. Here's the watch warning map, winter weather advisories in eastern Arizona, the White Mountains. They could see several inches of snow. Snow levels will be higher with this feature than previous storm systems that have come through, but still a good precipitation event statewide. Elsewhere, dense fog advisories, parts of the Gulf Coast, and winter weather conditions for sections of the Plain States. All right, convective outlook for today. We've got the marginal risk of severe storms for the Rio Grande as well as parts of the Gulf Coast. Here in Arizona, we're in the green, so we have a chance of thunderstorms. I would say more likely that will come tomorrow, but still could see some isolated storms even tonight. And then the precipitation outlook valid through next Monday morning. This comes from the WPC. Rain amounts here in the valley somewhere between about 3/4 of an inch up to an inch in the favored upslope areas. Your amount will vary. And we'll get into the details of it now as we explore the models and have a look. This is the GFS, the 06Z run, valid at 5 o'clock this afternoon. The upper look at about 18,000 feet. There's our vigorous cold upper low to the west, with difluent flow setting up shop here across the southwest. So down at the surface, mostly sunny skies this morning, but we'll see a rapid increase in clouds as we go into the afternoon hours. And a chance of showers comes in by late in the day. Highs this afternoon should still manage to get into the low 70s. And the models are a little bit faster with the onset of precipitation, especially the 3-kilometer NAM, the high-resolution NAM at 5 o'clock. It's got the rain shield coming in here, so rush hour could be a mess if we take this at face value. Some models are a little bit slower, but still, we do think that at least a chance of showers comes in by late this afternoon. And it will turn breezy to locally windy, especially tonight, with showers continuing. We'll have lows mostly in the upper 40s to low 50s. Then tomorrow, periods of rain. They'll be heavy at times, and we will see a chance of thunderstorms. Looking at the NAM again, check it out. It's got some CAPE in here. Not much, but a few hundred joules per kilogram. So there is some atmospheric instability, a little buoyancy to the atmosphere, especially as that low pressure area moves right overhead. I couldn't even rule out a few strong storms, especially if we get some sun tomorrow. I don't think there's going to be a whole lot of sun, but it's not going to rain all day. So it'll come in these periods, these waves. So if we do get any sun, that'll help to further destabilize the atmosphere, especially with such a cold core system moving right over top of us. Otherwise, we'll have highs tomorrow only getting into the upper 50s and low 60s with those rain chances continuing. About a 100% chance that we're going to see rain. And again, around an inch of rain possible in the heaviest spots. All right, then by Tuesday night and Wednesday, we'll start to see rain tapering off. Still a chance of showers, though, as a follow-up short wave crosses the area. Most of the energy and moisture will stay to our north, but still can't rule out a few showers through at least the first half of Wednesday. Then it'll turn mostly sunny by the afternoon. High temperatures still on the cool side, and it'll be breezy to locally windy, too. Highs in the low 60s. Moving on to Thursday, we start drying out and warming up. Sunny skies, high temperatures back in the low 70s. Friday, we've got a very weak little wave that's indicated by the GFS to move through. If that verifies, there could be some clouds. We'll call it partly sunny. There might be a shower over northern or eastern Arizona, but the moisture is really lacking with this feature, and there's not much dynamic support with it either. So high temperatures, well, that's not going to slow it down too much. Back in the low 70s once again. Saturday, maybe a few clouds, otherwise mostly sunny, and high temperatures should be in the low 70s. Sunday ridging's in here for St. Patrick's Day. It looks like a beautiful day. Highs mid-70s. And then as we go to a week from today, this is Monday, the 18th, we've got a ridge. High temperatures in the mid and upper 70s. Here's Tuesday, the 19th. little negative tilt short wave coming onto the California coast, but I think most of the energy would stay to our north. Still kind of an interesting feature nonetheless. Some clouds and temperatures would still be pretty mild, likely in the mid-70s. It's got 10 days to the end of the period. This is Wednesday, the 20th. And that looks like a zonal flow. And high temperatures might back off a couple of degrees, but overall, conditions remain very pleasant with just periods of high clouds. Taking a look at the temperatures through the period coming off of the GFS ensemble, and after our cool spell for the first half of this week, we'll warm it up. Temperatures getting close to 80, lows in the mid-50s. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you like our videos, be sure to subscribe so that whenever we post a brand new one, you'll get the notifications. Plus, your comments, questions, and suggestions are always encouraged as well. Be safe out there. Thank you so much for watching. Really do appreciate it. And you guys have yourselves a fantastic Monday.